Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to convert the number into number name. In column A, I have some numbers. By executing this macro, I am going to convert these numbers into number names. Here we can find A2 cell consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can find 5 digits. First digit is 1, second digit is 2, third one is 3, fourth one is 4, and fifth one is 5. After that, I am converting that number into number name. Like that, I bifurcated the data for each and every cell which exists in column A. To execute this process, click on Command button. After completion of this process, application displays message box on the screen as conversion process completed. Click on OK. Now let us change the numbers. Click on Command button. Here we can find entire formatting has been changed according to the max number of digits exists in column A. Now let us see the coding part. Click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Here you can find the coding. First I defined a object variable which is named as WKB. For that variable I considered active workbook. After that I defined another object variable which is named as SH and data type is worksheet object. For that variable I considered sheet 2. After that, through this step I cleared all the existing data except first column, means column A. Next I defined the last row. Next I defined start row. Here start row I considered as 2 as data starts from second row. Here I defined a variable which is named as R. R is loop variable which is useful to define the row numbers. Here I am using for loop for R is equal to start row to SH last row. Coming to column numbers, I considered as 2, means I am going to provide the results from the second column onwards. This is external loop. Internally, here I am providing one more loop. External loop is applicable to loop through all the rows. Coming to internal loop, I am using to loop through all the digits which exist in particular cell. For L is equal to 1 to length of cell value. Coming to A2 cell, length is equal to 3. Coming to A3 cell, length is equal to 2. Coming to A4 cell, length is equal to 2. Like that, based on number of digits exists in a particular cell, length is going to calculate. To extract the each and every digit from the particular cell, I am using mit function. This function consists of 3 functional arguments. First one is string and second one is start, third one is length. String I am considering cell value. After that, coming to start, I considered L which is an internal loop variable, and for third functional argument I mentioned as 1. Here I am using if function to define the numbers. If number is equal to 0, then application has to mention number name as 0. I am saving this number name into the variable of output. Likewise, I defined the numbers up to 9. If you want to shorten the text, you can change here. Result will be displayed as per the text you mentioned here. After that, in column number, I am mentioning the number digit. Subsequent to the column number, I am mentioning the number name. Number name already I saved into the variable of output. Number I extracted by using mid function. Upon placing the result into the respective cells, I am increasing the column number by 2. Column number is equal to column number plus 2. Here I provide the result in B2 and B3. So my next output should place in D2. Previously column number is 2. Right now column number became 4. Likewise, it loops all the rows, and these are all applicable to formatting. Removing the borders, changing the interior colors, providing the font name, applying the bold format on first column, providing the horizontal alignment, and these are formatting options of range B1. This is about the message box. So this is brief explanation about coding part. Let us change the numbers once again. Click on command button. In this way, we can convert the numbers into number names. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.